Hi guys, Happy New Year to you all. These are my colours today. The first colour is TLP Lagoon. TLP Lakeside. TLP Ball Gown, which is Interference Gold mixed with Paper Mill Cyan. Liquitex Gouache Bright Aqua Green. Amsterdam Greenish Blue. So all the blues today. My favourite colour. Boom Gel Pearlescent Teal. And just for a little bit of contrast, I'm using Boom Gel Lily Pilly Pink. Just a little bit. And I'm using 2 cell activators today, mixed with Australian Floetrol, approximately 2 to 2.5 parts of Floetrol to 1 part of paint. And my first one is Payne's Grey, which is equal parts of Amsterdam Payne's Grey and Pebeo Payne's Grey. No reason why I mix the two, I just like to experiment. And then my white, again, is a mixture. It's Amsterdam and Atelier Titanium White. Mix of the same consistency as my Payne's Grey. My canvas is a 12 by 16 inch. And I'm using a hairdryer today. So let's get messy.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back. All the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days.
So I left it to dry a few days, and I've decided to apply some Tri-Art Crackle Ground on the negative space. It's a liquid. Directions say to not shake it and to pour it on and to leave it quite thick. So I'm not going to brush it, I'm using this palette knife and I'm trying to leave it quite thick, but I think I wiped too much off. You get better effect if you leave it quite thick. As you can see towards the outer edge where I obviously scraped a little bit too much off, I didn't achieve the same effect. So next time I will leave it thicker, and where I put little bits of it in towards my design in the centre, obviously I didn't get the desired result there either. So yes, we live and learn, don't we? If you like this, please hit the like button and please share, and please consider subscribing if you've not already, and then you'll know when I put out a new video. Fluid Art Co, where you buy your TLP pigments from, they sell Tri-Art products now, so you can get your Crackle Ground from there. I will put the link in my description box for everything used as usual. Take care, stay safe, see you all next time, bye.